Good morning, one and all. My name is Subhanallah. My stream in electrical and electronic engineering. Today my topic is solving the x square z minus y p plus y square bracket x minus z q is equals to z square bracket y minus x. Solving given that x square whole z minus y p plus y square z x minus z whole cube is equal to z square y minus x. And equation 1 from the Lagrange linear equation, the equation capital P small p plus capital Q small q is equals to R. The equation 2 from the submit the equation 1 or 2, P is equals to x square whole z minus y and q is equal to y square z minus x minus z. R is equal to z square y minus x. From the calculating equation, dx by p is equals to dy by q is equal to dx by r. Which givens L ds plus m dy plus n dz is equals to 0. 1 by x square dx plus 1 by y square dy plus 1 by z square dz is equals to 0. Integral or both side. Apply the integral 1 by x square dx plus integral 1 by y square dx plus integral 1 by z square dz is equal to C1. C1 is equals to x minus x power minus 2 dx plus y power minus 2 dy plus z minus 4 power minus 2 dz. C1 is equals to x power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 1 y plus y power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus z minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 1. Submit the Cn, cancel the C1 is equal to x power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus x power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus x power of minus 1 by minus 1. C1 is equal to minus x 1 by x minus 1 by y minus 1 by z. Multiplication negative or both side. C1 is equal to C 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Mu is equals to x comma y z. Simple mesh. Simply close other set of the multiple L dash comma m dash comma y dash is equal to 1 by x comma 1 by z 1 by y comma 1 by z, such that L dash p plus m dash q plus n dash bar is equal to 0. 1 by x square z minus 1 plus 1 by y square x minus z plus 1 by z square x minus y x minus x whole power x minus z minus y plus y x minus z plus z y minus x. multiply the xz minus xy plus xy minus zy plus zy minus xz is equals to 0, which gives L1 dx plus m dash y dy plus n dash dz is equals to 0. 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz is equals to 0. Integrator 0 both side. Integrator 1 by x dx 1 by integrator 1 by y dy plus integrator 1 by z dz is equal to c2. The integrator simplifies c2 is equals to log x plus log y plus log z. Log c2 is equals to log x comma y z. c2 is equal to x comma y z. The given value of pi u comma v is equals to pi 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z comma x into y into z is equals to 0. Thank you.